Before we get this video started, I always do this on my giveaways. Hey Siri, what's today's date?
It's Tuesday, the 22nd of June,
Come on, Siri.
2021.
Speak up. There y'all go. June 22nd. All right, let's get started with the giveaway. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who. Back with another video, man. Thank y'all for coming kicking it with your boy Q today, guys. So today, I am announcing the giveaway winner of the LasFit floor mats for your F150, guys. I'm not gonna make this video long, make this announcement really short, guys. So I already got everything pulled up. Here, as y'all can see, boom, there. And I also got my spreadsheet here with the names of the entries here. So we only had 28 people enter. So you got a pretty good chance of winning the match right now, guys. So also, again, before I go ahead and do my drawing, thank you for LasFit for sponsoring the video. Also, if you do not win these mats, guys, you can use my code right there and go purchase a set, save yourself some money, man. So anyway, let's go ahead and do our drawing. So how I like to do it, I already got everybody's names here. I already got a random number counter. So I entered 2 through 29 because 29 is my last entry, I believe. Let me double check that. Yep, 29 is the last entry and 2 is the first entry. So yep. All right, and what I like to do is just a test hit. So this does not count, just a test hit. I do it twice to get the system going. So boom, boom. All right, now here's for our final winner. I'm about to hit it one more time. Here it is for the winner right here. Y'all ready? And the winner's gonna be number 17. Number 17. So number 17 is my guy Benjamin and Jessica Rogers, guys. So congratulations to you, Benjamin and Jessica, man, on winning the LasFit floor mat, guys, and gal, for participating. Thank you for participating. Thank you for winning. I hope you enjoyed the match. I'm gonna go ahead and send you an email. So Jessica and Benjamin, be on the lookout for the email because it's gonna have instructions for you on how to redeem your mats. Again, if you didn't win, you know, please feel free to use that code or you set the LasFit mats, man. Help you save some money once again. And yeah, guys, I thank you all who participated, all of y'all who's been supporting the channel, man. It's been growing and growing. You know, we hit a little low there, you know, things kind of get harder, you know, as the channel grows. You know, there's only so much you can come up with. But guys, be real with y'all. I do got something coming. I do got something. I can't wait to reveal it to y'all, man. I'm trying to get it. I want to make sure it's all perfect, you know what I'm saying? But it's coming, y'all. Make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, because that video will probably be dropping a few weeks from now. I'm trying to make sure everything's good with it. But anyway, Benjamin and Jessica, thank you all for participating. Thank you all, 28 of you who participated in the giveaway, man. But that's all I got. It's your boy Q. Until next time, the next giveaway, I'll catch y'all on next one, baby. Peace.